Hello, my name is Carlos Segreja. I have a a GitHub conflict, and so I'll show that right now, and I'll go over how I go about resolving this issue. So I'm looking down here. I did a pull request. It's open. And I come down here and I see that says Carlos, there was a prior pull request from another developer. After accepting that, your request has conflicts. Please resolve those. So what happened was another pull request was accepted, and so now this is going to conflict with that one. So basically, I'll show you kind of what is going on here, the issue. So if you look over here now, you can see that I had 6 commits that I wanted to push over to that main repository, because this is a fork, and 5 commits behind now because he accepted a pull request. So basically, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that code down and see what is the problem. And okay, is NetBeans opening another one? I thought I had opened. Okay, anyways, here it is. Here's NetBeans. So this is I'm just gonna use GitHub from the NetBeans, go over to remote. First thing you should probably do, if you're unsure of anything, just a couple clicks here, go to your project folder, copy that, and just make a copy, just so if anything happens, you have a copy. And see that it took a few seconds. If you're unsure of anything, especially if you're new to GitHub or anything like this, you don't have to worry. If you mess something up really bad, you have something to revert back to. So that's, you can just do that. Doesn't doesn't take long. So I'm over here. I'm gonna go over to get that repository on remote. So I'm gonna pull that code down from the main and match that up with the code that I have. And so okay, so that didn't mix up well. It's this log text. So remote repository, it looks like okay. Merge result failed. Merge of head with because of these files, and it was just this log text. So which makes no sense, because I'm not even tracking the log text, so there should be no log text here to conflict with. Go to files. Actually, I was at files. So okay, here we go. See, I have a log text. It's not being tracked, so that could be why. So this, that's just been causing issues, and you can probably see from the commit that I resolved that issue. As you can see, it was for it to not to track that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that again. And also another thing is that manifest file is always, which didn't seem to cause any issues, but it's always modified for some reason. So I'll go over to remote and do a pull again, and hopefully there will be no issue. A merge commit is needed, and there it is. So to do a root base, do a merge of head of testing alien master failed, and manifest. Oh great. Yeah, so I'm not sure what is up with that manifest file. I'll kind of delete it as well. It's always modified. And I'll do that again. Yeah, I thought it might cause an issue. I just don't understand that file. I didn't implement that file. I'm unsure why it behaves that way. It's very strange. So we'll do another pull, and shouldn't be any other issues. Hello. Okay. Some lag there. Sure, I'll resolve it. So the DS store and that log text file again. So the log text, yeah, I want to remove that from index. Now I have something else here. What am I looking at? Implemented. This was mines, and this was pulled. So as you can see, it's this DS store. I'll go with the I'm not sure what this DS store file is actually. So this one should be fine. I'm gonna accept this one from the main repository, and hit OK. That's it. Unresolved 0, so I'm gonna hit OK, and it's modified. We can say that. Sure exactly what is up with those files. Okay. So, and it will automatically say that, you know, merge was done. So I'm just gonna commit that and push that. Conflicts with DS and log text, so we know. And if there are any, we can see the code if I accept the wrong thing or anything. So I'm gonna commit. Oh, this was changed from the when I did the pull and the merge. So I'm gonna add that and go ahead and just to check again, make sure everything's all set, and there's no files to commit. So great. Okay, looks good. That manifest file is actually not blue, so that's good. And yeah, it looks great. Nothing anymore to upload, so I'm gonna push all this to my repository. And go check that on GitHub. So this says 6 commits ahead and the 5 commits behind, so I'm gonna refresh this page and see what it says. So 7 commits ahead now. Basically I took all that code and merged it, so it's 7 commits now, and resolve the conflicts. So now this is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead, and I'm getting a I just finished now. Be another net. I also communicate through Skype as well. So, trying to pull up my webpage. There it is. Okay. So, yeah. So yeah, he's waiting to accept the pull request, and so good timing. So yeah, that pull request should be all set, the same one that's open. It was never closed, so I'm gonna actually, there's a way to see pull request. Actually says 0. So go if I refresh this, it says I'm 1 commit behind now. So yeah, it's been accepted. So it says merged, and should be all set. Okay, update the version number and generate image I'll get back to you. Alright, so yeah, that's basically, it's merged, the code was good, and he accepted it. So what I'm going to do now, because there is a merge, I'm going to, it says I'm behind, so basically what you want to do, you don't ever want to be behind, so you can see the branches 1 commit behind. So that means pull that down, go to remote, pull, and then push it to my repository, so that's the same. So, and I'm going to push the mines, next, finish, and then go take a look at this. So it says 1 commit behind. If I refresh, it should be even, so this branch is even with the master, and that's basically what you should try to be, even all the time. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.